Hello everyone, and welcome to the video for Unit 8, Day 14, and today we are learning about inequalities. We've worked with inequalities before, and now we're going to introduce putting a variable into that inequality. Today's video is dedicated to Adriana in 6C. Hi Adriana. Alright, let's jump right into it. So, x and then this symbol and then 3 means that x, the value for x could be all of the possible numbers greater than x. So x is the variable, it represents some number, and that number we know, if it's like this, is going to be greater than 3. And the way that we show that on a number line is, we're going to draw a open circle, just like that, and be very careful to make sure that it's open. And then to show all of the numbers that are greater than 3, you shade in the number line like this, and you draw an arrow going to the right so that we know x is all the possible numbers, not 3 itself, that's why there's an open circle, but everything greater than 3. All right, and possible values for what x could be here. Well, let's see, it could be 4, right? X could be 9, 100, or like 5 2/3. Those are all possible values for x in that situation. Okay, looking at the next one. This symbol with x and 3 means that, oops, mistake, means x, not c, means x could be all of the possible numbers greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to 3. And the way that we draw on the number line greater than or equal to is, we find 3, and instead of an open circle like we did here, we're going to do a closed circle and fill in the circle just like that. And then we'll draw a number line going to the right because it's greater than, and an arrow. So we know that x could be any value that includes 3, it could be equal to 3, or anything greater than that. So that's x is equal to or greater than equal to 3. So possible values for x could be 3, or it could be 9, or 100, right, or 12.341, for example. All those are greater than 3. Or equal to it. Alright, so that's that one. Next, let's take a look at this symbol with x and 3 means x could be all the possible numbers less than 3. And, oops, you know what, looking at my notes here, I realized I made a mistake back up here. Sorry. It's been a long day. Greater than 3, not greater than x. That didn't make sense. Yeah, sorry about that. Change that to 3. Greater than 3. Okay. So x, for this one, x could be all the possible values less than 3. And the way we'll draw that on the number line is, we'll find 3, and we'll do an open circle, because it doesn't include 3. But all the numbers less than it, which means all the numbers left of 3 on this number line. And we'll draw an arrow pointing to the left. So x could be any of these values that don't include 3, but everything less than that. So possible numbers could be 2, 1/2, or like -14, for example. Those are all less than 3. And one more. If it's this symbol, and it has the underline underneath the less than symbol, it means x, sorry, so many mistakes today. It means x could be all of the possible numbers less than or equal to 3. Less than or equal to 3. So it could be 3, but it's also everything less than that. So we'll do a closed circle, fill in the circle for 3, because it includes 3 this time, and all the numbers left. So that are all the values less than 3. And possible values for this could be 3 itself, or 1, or 0, or negative 56.74, for example. All right, and to finish off page 4, you are going to do this bottom part. We'll do the first one together, and then you're going to finish it on your own. Let's look at this statement. The statement is Kevin has at least $5. And we're going to write an inequality statement using a variable to represent how much money that Kevin has. So if he has at least $5, we have to think, okay, so does that mean that he has more than $5, less than $5, or possibly exactly $5? Well, if it's at least this amount, we know that he has more than $5, or he could have $5 exactly. So we're going to use the variable, let's just say K for Kevin, and he has greater than or equal to 5. Because the amount that Kevin has to be at least $5, so it could be equal to $5 or greater than $5. So greater than or equal to 5. We'll put that on our graph here. That means we're going to do a closed circle at 5 and drawing to the right to show it's greater than 5 or equal to it. Okay, so you're going to do something similar for these bottom 3. It's going to be one of these 4 symbols right here. Oops, sorry. It's going to be one of these 4 symbols. So you can use any variable you want to fill out what's here and then draw your graph. Once you're done with this, it should go pretty quickly. Try the problems on page 5. And with that, I wish you good luck.